everyone's part of this side. I personally believe mental health is extremely important and as important as physical health. I personally had 2 sessions with One Life International and spoke with different people from different professions and people who are experts on mental health. I'm glad that One Life International has taken the initiative to create awareness about mental health. So good luck to you and your entire team. Keep doing the good work and all the best to you.
There are some people to help you out when you are into stress, depression, anxiety. आपको कभी भी ऐसा लगे कि आपकी जिंदगी में कुछ तकलीफ है, personally or professionally, feel free to talk about it. No issues. There are people to help you out.
समस्ते physical health कार देह खराब हेले आमे समस्त जाई पड़छन बा जा स्वाई सर कहले जने निजर देह खराब हेले डॉक्टर पाखु जाई कहि पारुछि जे मोर देह खराब किंतु जहार मानसिक स्वास्थ्य भलो नाही से काहू कहबा को डॉक्टर को कहबा